Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a little quick share on some flat embellishments. A few months ago I received these types of flat embellishments from my friend G. Hi G, how are you? And so I just wanted to include some flat mail in some happy mail that I'm sending out, and so I remembered I received these and thought, oh, this would be good to make. So I just did a few variations, and you can make them as flat or as chunky as you would like by just adding foam tape in the middle. And so like on this one, so all of them have 3 layers, and so this one I attached the 3rd layer to the 2nd layer with foam tape, and then laid the top layer and the 2nd layer down flat. So you can see the foam tape between those 2 layers, but this one is just adhered straight to the next layer. And this one I put foam tape in between each layer, and so that's how that came out. And then this one I put the foam tape between the top and the 2nd layer, if you can see that. And then I also decided that I could make these stand out more and add them to a stitch circle die cut. And I also added them to some banner flags that I cut out like this, and then I made smaller ones which just has 2 layers like that. And so you can add these to happy mail, you can add these to page toppers, embellishments, give them as gifts like I am going to do. And I did that off screen, so let me put that together in front of you. So here's the bottom layer, this is the middle layer, and then the top layer. And it's all flat, but look at how pretty it looks. And then I just added it to a scrap pieces of paper I have that I've put together and layered. I'm just gonna add this on the end, and there you go. So that's easily to add on top of a page topper, or you know, whatever you want to do with it. But so that's my little quick share today. Hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until my next video, shakas!